Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use maps on your Garmin Fenix. To begin, press the up button to access the main menu. Scroll down and select Map to open the map screen. You can then use the up and down buttons to zoom in and out, and the Start/Stop button to pan around. Press back to return to the previous screen. This initial step is crucial for understanding your surroundings and getting oriented with the device's powerful mapping capabilities, ensuring you can always find your way. Next, let's talk about getting the right maps onto your Fenix. You can download new map regions directly from the Garmin Connect app or through Garmin Express on your computer. Navigate to the Map Manager on your watch to view installed maps. Here, you can update existing maps or delete older ones to free up valuable storage space, perhaps several gigabytes. This ensures you always have the most current and relevant topographical or routable maps for your adventures, whether you're hiking or cycling. Now, let's dive into active navigation. To create a route, select Navigate from the map screen and choose a destination, or use the Courses feature for pre-planned paths. Your Fenix will provide turn-by-turn directions, guiding you with clear visual cues and distance indicators, often showing distances down to a few meters. You can also use Sight and Go to point your watch at a distant object and navigate towards it. This makes exploring new areas straightforward and safe. Finally, let's customize your map experience and optimize performance. Access map settings to adjust details like map orientation, data fields, and color schemes. You can choose to display popular routes or even heat maps for common trails. To extend battery life, especially on longer excursions, consider reducing the backlight timeout to 15 seconds and setting your GPS mode to Ultra Track, which can provide up to 100 hours of tracking. These adjustments ensure your Fenix is perfectly tailored for your specific needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.